This is sitting in front of me. It's turned on. It's on number 1 right now. Hi, I'm Nick Johnson, part of the product management team at CPC. First off, we hope this message finds you safe and healthy. Our team was looking forward to seeing you at this week's event. Unfortunately, it's been pushed back. However, we wanted to take this opportunity to connect with you virtually and fill you in on some of the exciting things we would have spoke about. First, CPC is happy to tell you we're in the process of building a brand new world-class facility, and the build plan is on schedule. We look forward to be moving into that facility mid-summer this year. The new facility will have a second clean room manufacturing space, that being a redundant manufacturing space to our current manufacturing area, adding a significant amount of more manufacturing capacity to meet our forecasted growth over the next 10 plus years. What that means for you is supply chain assurance for what you expect and deserve in this market. Secondly, our R&D team is incredibly excited about a new product we've been working on and plan to launch to the market later this year. Can't give you all the details on it just yet. Just know we think it'll be a huge advancement for single-use connections in this market. When you see a product that has some aqua in color, you'll know that's it. And lastly, our sales and application development teams miss being on the road, talking with you and meeting with you face-to-face. But they're eager and available to connect with you now via any video conference, phone call, or email. Any questions you have related to your biopharma or cell and gene therapy application, from media prep to cell expansion, fermentation, cell culture, viral vectors, harvesting, filtration, freeze-thaw, formulation, and final fill, we have a connector solution for you. We'll make it easy for you to standardize on CPC's connection technology with our broadest range of sterile connectors, under-the-hood connectors, and SIP connectors in the market, inspiring confidence at every point of connection. So from our team to yours, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay connected. We look forward to hearing from you. See you soon.